It's not me. It's a voice. I heard this
Well, I done been all over the world, and everybody feels the same. It's a unanimous decision. I said we're ready for change.
Fumaron Redwood?
And then when you're blood clot, you forgot to set me on a pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
You want blood clot, cause I don't even bumper clot rate you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
Fat bumper clot pussy hole girl, you know this? Shot in a bumper
Fuck you.
clot. Hey yo, don't touch
what's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him, but some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time and put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
But
I
someone
know
did.
my fault to no Rasta. I know my blood
Well,
clot.
not
fault.
your
Hey,
fault.
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Nico can make this right for you then.
Oh what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Nico, go do this first job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me now.
See you later.
Watch me now.
Man, this afternoon is brutal. This city is heating up. Hey, but we got some beautiful music to get you through. Liberty City.
Gotta get it.
This is scale fish, imported straight from Bolivia, manito. Polvo puro, the best, man.
You're in America now. The best everything gets made here. If the best stuff got made in Mexico or Colombia or wherever, why do you all run across the border? Tell me that.
Oh, girl, when I add the sum of you and me, I get confused and I keep coming up with three. You know that ain't right, baby. You're too much for one man.
Damn you!
Surrounded, asshole. I haven't betted myself.
This is the end of the line, asshole.
Take cover.
I don't give a shit!
Way to the
Lo veo. Got a good shot, too.
It's you on me!
You got no
Having fun?
How do you like this, hijo de puta?
You're going to die, friend!
Feels good to be fucked, doesn't it?
All I gotta do is pull the trigger.
I'm gonna go at him. Fuck! Take cover. Stop! Don't do it! I got you, you son of a bitch!
What is it?
So many punks, so few bullets. Your ass is mine! You wanna get shot? Get down! You're gonna die, motherfucker! Give me a smile, motherfucker. Don't kill me, man.
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from?
I think I'm getting closer now. But there's one more cat me have to speak to.
Shit! Speaking of fucking cops, I think I have company. I gotta go. I lost the heat. Where are you?
Chase Point. I'm with some buckers and no I. Get here now, Nico. Let's be some strange shit.
Fuck this! Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think me know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Nico. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Nico, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Nico. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too, if you weren't so useful.
You fucking bitch.
Nico.
Hold on. You mean to say you're going to let us off just like that? Nothing now go on?
Well, my employers need the help of a guy like Nico. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The coke, please.
Shocking, me have to tell Elizabeth that she now get her cocaine now.
Your bartender about Mollis, or order online from any number of this reputable Mexican pharmacists. Mollis is Vesuvius citrate and should be taken with alcohol. Mollis, respect me damned.
When protest music was about standing up to presidents, not sucking up to them. This is IF 99.